So guys, just an update on the free matting of Kia Sonet 2024. So nakuha na namin yung sa amin just today. It's already, anong date na ba ngayon? May 31. Pero sabi doon sa casa, mga April na ata to dumating. Pero syempre hindi ko na follow up. And yung agent namin is wala na doon sa casa. So this is the one set matting na freebie. So let's open it up so we can see anong laman. So we've got 3 pieces in one set ng matting. So dalawa sa harap, sa driver and passenger seat. And then isang malaki para sa back seat, sa second row. Yan. So let's try it on. Kung kasya ba siya. Maganda yung quality niya, guys. And then meron siyang logo ng Kia. Yan. Dito rin sa gilid. So I'm not sure what this is for. Let's try it on. So this is the before and this is the after. So maganda yung fit kasi talagang nakasukat siya for Sonet, and then dito pala yung sa may butas. The other side din. Try natin sa passenger seat. And this is how it looks like on the passenger side. So saktong-sakto yung fit. Walang labis, walang kulang. Ayan. Thank you so much, Kia. So this is actually from Kia NRA Cebu. So yung mga kumuha ng Sonet from Kia NRA Cebu, so you can already get your free matting. Just look for Miss Kaz. Thank you!